Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on QASP, the latest edition here. This video won't be quite as rosy as probably the few of the other ones when the big breakout was coming. The chart is still technically hanging in there, but to not sugarcoat things, the break below the 50-day simple moving average right here was just not what the chart needed or wanted, and kind of seeing the results of it now after it closed below here. Tried to get back above it on this day, and then today and then Tuesday just continue to separate from it. But like I said, we are still hanging right around a key area of support. So the chart, could still technically put in a low here and still be in an uptrend, because we could draw some sort of trend line. Let me grab the straight edge for this line, but we could draw something like this technically, and that would still be an uptrend line. But it did hurt for this 50-day to not hold, but we're above a key level still, so let's just get to that. If we go back through the history of the chart, we can see that, let me change this to green. I'm going to make it extra thick because it is a very important level. But we go back here and you can see that it acted as support, and this level is being right around the 0.009 level. You can call it 0.0091, 0.0089, whatever you want to call it, but the point is right around this region. Acted as support right there, acted as support again. When the price broke below it, this support became resistance, tried to get above there, acted as resistance, once more here, resistance, once more here, acted as resistance, and then when the price was finally able to break above it, we all see what happens there. And now once more, the price is hovering right around this area. Yes, we did technically close a little bit below it, but you have to remember that supports, resistances aren't exact specific price levels. They're more of ranges. So I'm still considering, being at 0.0087 within this range of support. So I'm not quite ready to turn this into a resistance yet. But, it's getting close. And if the price continues to separate from it like it did from the 50-day simple moving average, then this will become a resistance. And that's just, obviously what we don't want to see. So if the price can start to hover around here and head back up, like I said, then we could technically draw an uptrend line, but it's kind of do or die right now. If this level can't hold and it continues to separate, then really there's not any other sorts of support until back down here at these previous lows, which is quite a bummer considering the price got all the way up here and now it's pulling one of these maneuvers. Still hope, but at the same time, it kind of was just kind of like somebody popping the balloon when the price got below this 50-day, because at this point, we had a nice chart pattern here, just was consolidating between the 200 and 50-day. I remember talking about that in a video. However, we've now broken down through the bottom of it, and we're seeing the results right now. But for the people that are playing this from the daily chart perspective and so forth, keep your eye on this level. It really needs to hold. If not, it'll probably be another drift down to these previous lows. And seeing this volume pick up during this declines, not very encouraging either. But it is what it is, so we'll have to kind of see what happens the rest of this week, and more importantly next week. Hopefully it'll at least be some sideways action around the support to stabilize, but only time will tell for that. So if there are any other questions on QASP, let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook, and with your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things from big boards down to penny stocks. So there's a good variety, something for everybody. It's all free, so I'd encourage you to head to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. One more time, this was QASP. Hopefully this answered everybody's questions. Thanks for watching.